YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy, natejustdope, back into the video, and JD Nation was Zam with it, man. You're watching Life with Nate. Yes, sir. Your boy is back at it, man. You feel me? I know I've been gone for a minute, you know what I'm saying? But we are back at one of the most perfect times of the year. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Band season is starting back, man. So, hey, bro, we getting straight to it, bro. I do apologize for my hiatus. You know what I'm saying? Your boy just needed a break. You feel me? Didn't expect it to be this long, but hey, what perfect time to come back than now, like I said, bro. But yeah, as y'all see by the title, man, we got Jackson State, the merge 2025. Yes, sir, bro. We already know what time it is. You feel me? And what better way to come back on a video or an event like this? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, bro, I ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna go ahead and use Smash Time Productions video for this reaction. His link will be down in the description below, man. Hey, let's get it, man. I'm back. Let's go.
Smash Time is in the building.
Okay, we got a freshman. Okay. Africano. Okay, Mellows. Uh-oh. Ooh. Hey, freshman gonna keep pushing, bro. You know what I'm saying? We get straight to it. Okay, upperclassmen. First though, hold on, bro. Hey, the upperclassmen drip always be on point every single year, bro. That's something I be looking forward to, bro. Look at the Piccolo section, bro. They, hey, hey, bro. Them folks is drippy, bro. You feel me? Nice by nights? Okay. Ooh, trombone. Hi, Jixes. I see y'all. Woo! Woo! Trumpets. Hey. I hear y'all, Mellows. Hi, little Bryce. Woo! Yes, sir. That's how we doing it, man. Trumpets. Trombone. Hey. Yes, sir. Freshman 2 was deep, too, ain't it? Where you at? Come on, Zeus. Hold it together. Come on now. Ooh, mellows. Okay, mellows. Hey. The freshman mellows hold it down, bro. Ain't gonna cut, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, they sounded good though, man. Only thing was Tubas lost a little bit of tempo, you feel me? But other than that, hey, I ain't got no complaints, bro. Alright, uppercut, what we got?
Man, what did he do to make them niggas that mad?
We are not finna do this, JSU. Not this year. Good Lord, have mercy. B-tones. Oh my God. Oh my God. That sounds so aggressive, bro. Woo. Mellows. Woo. Trombone. I hear y'all, bud. Yeah, Dawson. WT. I love that tenor bar, bro.
Somebody else. Don't worry
Yeah.
Me and Sebastian. Mia. On for three. One.
I'm just scared, bro.
Three.
I'm scared, bro. Ooh, that sounds beautiful. Ooh. I hear y'all piccolos. Mmm. Okay, okay. Hey, that was beautiful.
7-day weekend.
Hold up.
7 days, 7 days. Huh? Up.
Did he say 7-day weekend?
7-day weekend. 7
Ooh,
days,
they
7
brought this
days.
back.
Huh?
Ah, this is one of my favorite old songs from them, bro.
1 and 2 and 1.
Come on.
2 and 1, 2, ready, hey.
Yeah. Yeah, Belos. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, one of my favorite JSU songs from back in the day. Shout out to the J Set too, man. They look clean.
2 and 1. 2.
Is that Travis? Sound like Travis. Ooh. Hey, yeah. Time about it. There you go. Ooh. Yo, them Beatles is on steroids, bro. I'm talking about steroids, dog. Good lord. I ain't got nothing to say, bro. Hey, shout out to bro. Woo. Mellow sounds a lot more fuller, bro. Hey, man. Chills. I got nothing but chills right there, bro. Hey, man. That song was a banger. That song was a banger, bro. Okay, they're finna do the show. Hey, so far, hey. Things I'm noticing, Dog Team definitely gained their power back. Not that they lost a lot, but this year is definitely like. And Beatles is on steroids, bro. Good lord. They was already pushing the last 2 years, bro. God, Okay, around the way, girl. Little remix. Okay, that's a little mix. Woo. Hey, Mellows got stronger too, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With his alma mater.
1, 2, ready, and
Yeah, man. While they play this, bro, key takeaways. Dog team is on one. B-Tones is on one. SOP trombone, man, y'all always stay solid. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I never say the mellows, funky horn. Hey, y'all definitely making y'all presence known. And this on the first like showcase. You know what I'm saying? Trombone ain't missed a beat. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot of woodwinds though. Look at how color. Yeah, that's a lot of woodwinds too. Jay says look clean. Shout out J5. We gonna check out the March out next, but yeah, man. WT got that holding it down too. So yeah, man. Looking like it's gonna be a solid year, man. Yep. Alright, man. Yeah, there we have it, man. Like I said, bro, Tuba's definitely y'all. I think they got their swagger back. You know what I'm saying? Not to say that they lost anything, but yeah, bro. This year, if this only the first showcase, bro, I can only imagine what Dog Take gonna be like, bro. They already sound the whole band as a unit, bro. They sound like they near like 3-4 games in already, bro. Like, you can hear the confidence. You can just feel the aura through the screen. But nah, bro. Yeah, bro. They sounded good, man. One of the main things that I noticed was that Mellows is definitely pushing. Their presence is definitely more like this year. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is only the first showcase, so I can only imagine what they gonna sound like, bro. Like mid-season. You feel me? Like I said, Trump Funk. I feel like they didn't miss a beat. You feel me? They still holding it down. But lower brass, B-tones, trombones, tubas, mainly the B-tones. Good lord. So it sound like somebody broke into y'all car in Atlanta, bro. Y'all gotta pay for the windows, bro. Y'all mad about it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, golly, calm down. Whoa, Jamal. Whoa, Jamal. You know what I'm saying? Golly, bro. Hey, that first note, what's that song? Just tips or something like that. That first note right there, let me know everything that I needed to know, bro. Yeah, it's gonna be a long season. But yeah, bro, comment down below. Give me your thoughts about the Merge 2025. Like I said, I'm gonna check out the March out in the next video. Like I said, your boy was gone for a minute, so I know there's a lot that I missed throughout the summer. I know I missed a lot of summer band stuff. I think I missed some spring high school stuff. So hey, yeah, comment down below. Give me your requests. I know we got to get to like the first like couple of events for the fall, and then I'm gonna backtrack. But yeah, I know I got to check out Southern's Fan Fest. I got to check out. I think I seen some from A&M, North Carolina Central. Who else? Norfolk. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff that I got to check out. So just be patient with your boy. Your boy is coming back full force, man. So yeah, bro, it's great to be back, man. And like I said, what better way to start off the fall with the Merge? So yeah, bro, that's really it. So now with that being said, it's your boy Nate Just Dope signing out. Deuces.